how to add icon in Webflow. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon in Webflow. This simple tutorial will guide you through the process step by step so let's dive right in. First, head over to the Webflow website. Once you're there, look for the login button and click on it. To simplify things, you can sign in using your Google account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Find the project you want to add the icon to and click on the 3 dots next to it. From the menu that appears, click on General. This will take you to your site's basic settings. Now scroll down a little and look for the favicon section. This is where you can upload a small icon that appears in the browser tab when someone visits your site. Click on the Upload button and select the icon you've already prepared. Ideally, your icon should be in PNG or ICO format for better compatibility. Once uploaded, it will be saved, but the change might not appear instantly on your live site. Browsers often cache favicons, so it can take a few hours or even a day to reflect. If you want to check right away, try opening your site in an incognito window or clear your browser cache. That's it. You've successfully added an icon to your Webflow site. It's a small but powerful way to make your site look professional and stand out in browser tabs. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Webflow.